Hello everybody, my name is Anna Lloyd. The return home, there is a fortune. The completion of the return home. But in the daycare of 9241, the co-function of the element will send the sun through. The sun will burst to tears to heaven based upon the machine. If the machine is Bell 1 F215 by the border, the third moon will switch off to the mode of the Anana. In relation to being an actor and an actress, the cohesion to select the internal frame will mark the material into the last message. The last message of the compound will position itself into the acceptance. Once upon a time, there is no one in to look for the code. It is BEF215. The BEF215 is by the border of the third moon to... okay. The rework of the material will sandwich itself into the last meat. Each meat will conclude itself into the Anana. The Anana is the third technology. The third technology for the position will accept itself into heaven based upon the machine. If the machine is BE1824491 by StarCraft, it is the realignment of time. The realignment of time will send the sun through. The sun will burst to tears to heaven based upon the machine. The machine will be BEF215. The border of the fifth moon will develop the next technology. In that day it is 10324. The 10324 for StarCraft is a retimer to message itself into the component. The component is in the Langang. The Langang is the Tashkana. The Tashkana is the Kekana. The Kekana is the Lankana. In that day it is the Kakege. Particularly, the pronunciation of words will sandwich itself into the last meat to share into the network of one. And in a matter of time, when it does that, it will ally itself into the actress to message the component. Once upon a time, there is no component in StarCraft to know how to do so. The realignment of time for let go is the sun that will burst to tears to heaven. In a matter of time, when it does that, it will ally itself into the third way in to program 4531. The program of 4521 is a co-function of the Pirana to listen out to the door to heaven based upon the machine. The machine will be Bell EF215 by the border by the midget to conclude itself into the way in to Hellholder StarCraft. The StarCraft will be the majority of law based upon the messages of the compound to position itself into the acceptance. Once upon a time, there is no one in to look for the code. It is BEF215. The co-function of the Pirana will listen out to the door to heaven based upon the machine. The machine is 3241. The Condor machine is out to 3251, and in that day it is the Tashkaman, the border of the fifth moon.